Hi students, today we'll start with a new chapter, that is ledger, also known as books of subsidiary entry. So for that, first of all we need to prepare a journal. Thereafter only we can prepare a ledger. So I picked a question from the book. Record the following transactions in the journal of narration company. After preparing journal, we will also prepare ledger for this. First entry is paid cash to Mahesh 9600 and discount received from him 400. So here comes the journal for that. You all know the format of journal, how to prepare a journal. Mahesh account debit to cash to discount received 10,000 to Mahesh, cash account 9600 and discount received 400. Thereafter we have received cash from Arun 4,900 and discount allowed to him 100. So here it comes like cash account debit, discount allowed debit to Arun 4,900 in cash, 100 in discount allowed and 5,000 in Arun. Thereafter we have goods sold to Harish 100. Goods sold to Harish 30,000. So on June 10 we have Harish account debit to sales account 30,000. The next transaction is Harish return goods 2,000. So it will be on June 12 sales return account debit to Harish 2,000. Thereafter we have received cash from Harish 27,500 in full settlement of his account. So earlier we have sold goods of 30,000 to Harish. After that Harish had returned goods of rupees 2,000. So the balance due from him was 28,000. Now out of 28,000 he has paid only 27,500 in full settlement. So on June 14 we go cash account debit 27,500, discount allowed debit 500 to Harish account 28,000. Next is sold goods to Gopal of the list price 60,000 at 10% discount. We have sold goods to Gopal. The list price of the goods are 60,000 at 10% trade discount. So Gopal account debit to sales account 60,000, 10% discount. If we deduct, we will deduct 6,000. So it will come to 54,000. Next is purchase goods from Ravi of the list price 20,000 at 15% trade discount. So 20,000 list price goods will purchase from Ravi at 15% discount. So 15% 20,000 is 3,000. So purchase to Ravi it will be 17,000 on June 23. So we have completed the journal. Now for starting with ledger, first of all we need to give ledger folio. There was one column ledger folio. Till now it was not being used, but in the chapter of ledger we will use it. So you need to give numbers there for all the accounts that have appeared till now. Like first of all we have Mahesh account. So Mahesh account will be numbered as number 1. Next is cash account number 2, discount received number 3. You can see over here it is done here. Cash account, Mahesh account is 1, cash account is 2 and discount received is 3. Next entry again we got cash account, so we will not give 4 here since cash account is already opened as number 2, so we will get number 2. Next is discount allowed, that has not appeared before, so it will be number 4. Arun account number 5, Harish account number 6, sales account number 7, sales return 8, Harish 6, cash account 2, discount allowed 4, Harish 6. Gopal account, this is new, so it will be numbered as 9, sales account 7, purchase account 10 and Ravi account 11. In this way we have made numbering for all the accounts that we have done. Now we'll move on to the format of ledger, which goes this manner. The format of ledger is all like double of journal. You need to prepare 2 journal in one. Like in journal what we have, date, particulars, LF and amount. Here we don't have LF but we have JF. The format is same, but also we needed to do 2 times, date, particulars, JF, amount. The same format of journal is to be repeated twice to prepare one account, and we had 11 such accounts like Mahesh account 1, cash account 2, discount allowed 3, discount received 3. In this manner, so we need to prepare 11 such accounts. So this is Mahesh account, this is 1. Similarly cash account 2, discount received 3. In this manner we need to prepare 11 such account. Discount allowed 4, Arun account 5, Harish account 6, sales account 7. Thereafter we have sales return account 8, Gopal account 9, purchase account 10 and Ravi account 11. In this manner we need to prepare 11 such accounts in ledger. After you have prepared 11 such accounts, please write the name of each account at the top of such account, like Mahesh account, cash account. After you have prepared accounts, you need to write the name of all the accounts. Thereafter we will write date, particulars JF amount, date particulars JF amount in all such accounts. And at the top left side we'll write debit, and on the top right side we'll write credit on each of the accounts. This is compulsory to be written, debit and credit on each of the accounts. Please be careful. It is compulsory for you to write debit and credit on each of the accounts at the top left and top right side. After you have prepared all the accounts for ledger, thereafter we'll start making entries in ledger. How to make entries in ledger, I'll show you. Let us go to the journal again. The first entry is Mahesh account debit to cash to discount received. Mahesh account debit to cash to discount received. Now we can see here it is Mahesh account debit to cash account. Mahesh account debit to cash account. So we'll go to Mahesh account in ledger. This is Mahesh account. This is the debit side. So entry will be made on the debit side. Mahesh account debit. Half the entry is done. We just need to write to cash account. Mahesh account debit to cash account. This entry was on 2018 June 1st. So we have made the entry on June 1st to cash account. The amount of cash was 9600. So we'll write 9600 in the ledger account also. In the ledger we have written 9600 in cash. But not only cash, Mahesh account was debited to discount received also. Mahesh account debit to cash we have done. Now Mahesh account debit to discount received 400. So again we have Mahesh account debit to discount received, that is 400. This entry was also on June 1st, so I have not written the date twice. You can continue with the same date. Mahesh account debit to cash account 9600 and then to discount received 400. So this was the two entries that was on the first date. Now not only straight way, we need to make the entry reverse wise also in ledger. Like Mahesh account debit to cash account to discount received is done. Thereafter we need to see like how we read the entries Mahesh account debit to cash account. Here nothing is written, but there is one invisible by. We read it as by. It is written as by Mahesh account. We don't write by here, by by, but it is read at by Mahesh account debit. So how to read this? Mahesh account was debited to cash account. Now cash account is credited, although we don't write credit here, but it is credited. So cash account is credited by Mahesh account. Cash account is credited. Credit is not written there. You just imagine there is a credit written there. Cash account credited by Mahesh account. Cash account is also credited by Mahesh account. So we'll go to cash account. This is cash account number 2. Cash account is credited. We'll go to the credit side. So the entry will be made on the credit side. So cash account credited by Mahesh account. Cash account is credited by Mahesh account on 2018 June 1st, and the amount was 9600. The amount was 9600. Next, not only cash account, discount received was also credited. Discount received account was also credited for rupees 400. So discount received was also credited by Mahesh. Since there is only one debit, so discount received was also credited by Mahesh. Same thing in discount received also. Discount received account credited by Mahesh. Discount received account is credited by Mahesh for rupees 400. Next entry is cash. So first entry is done since we have made the entry straight way and the reverse side also. Now we'll move on to second entry on June 4. The second entry is on June 4, that is cash